Installation video, Metaflex Medicare, Medicare Glass, Medicare Intelligence, Medinox, and Metafficient doors. Safety first. Follow the safety guidelines, read the manual, and follow the safety instructions. Check the manual which tools and fasteners are required. Assembly of the wall frame. Check the dimensions. Check the width, the height, and the depth of the door opening. Measure the size of the recesses precisely and saw the rebate profiles to the correct length. The left and right rebate profiles are shortened on the underside. For the top side, shorten the rebate on the right for a door sliding to the right. Shorten the rebate on the left for door sliding to the left. Slide the connection profiles against one another with the connection angles provided. Place the rebate profiles against the wall. Only pop or screw the rebate profile once at the outer ends in the center line, so that the middlemost part can be adjusted at a later point. Assembly of the rail system. Measure the distance between the outer notches on the rail and mark the middle. Also mark the middle of the top casing. Determine the position of the rail in width by aligning the center lines of the casing and the notches and mark this. Determine the height of the first hole and mark this on the wall. Attention! Please handle safely when hanging the rail. Fall hazard. Check the manual for installation in medical grounding systems. Drill the first hole and mount the rail to the first hole. Keep the rail level, drill the last hole, and mount the rail to the last hole. Drill the rest of the fixing holes and mount the rail to these holes. Assembly of the guiding rollers. Assemble the eccentric. Check the manual for the position of the guiding rollers. Mark the location of the guiding roller on the floor. Drill a hole, mount the eccentric, and place the guiding roller on top. Repeat for the other guiding rollers. Assembly of the door blade. Assemble the wheel sets. Mount them to the door. Warning: wedging and fall hazard. Adjust with multiple persons according to the door weight. After adjusting the door blade, manually test for functionality and sealing. Hang the door to the rail. Bring the door into its closed position. Mount the end stop to the rail. Adjust the wheel sets so it is at the same depth and height as the door. Adjust the guiding rollers when necessary. Test the functionality and sealing. Press the underside of the door by evenly compressing the sealing rubber. Assemble the safety bracket. Fully screw in the frame. Check if the sealing is functional all around. If the sealing is not functional, adjust the frame and then screw it tight. Pull the tendons in. Install the operation. Warning: wedging hazard. Assemble the gear belt and tension it. Fasten the carriage to the wheel set. Make sure it is not too tight. The upper and underside must still be able to be pressed together. Connect the controller according to the manual. Warning: wedging hazard. The door will start installation itself. Change settings according to the manual. Assembly of the canopy. Mount the side brackets in the sparing of the rail. Long bracket on the motor side, short bracket to the non-motor side. Screw the top brackets on the rail. Slide the end caps over the canopy. Attention, please handle safely when hanging the canopy due to fall hazard. Hang the canopy on the rail. The canopy must hang over the brackets with the assembled edge. Slide the side brackets against the canopy, above the lip of the end caps. Install the operation and safety sensors. Position, secure and connect the sensors using the documents supplied. After this, the door is ready for use.